Darin Martineau here from Master Magic University. In this video, I'm going to perform what's called the Phantom Monte by Leech. This is my version of it. I have the four aces. The ace of spades is the leader ace, of course. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take the ace of spades, put it on the bottom of the packet where you can see it clearly. Okay. I'm just going to mix up the cards a little bit, like this. We'll shuffle, give them a little shuffle. I say shuffle because I can't say shuffle. I mix them up just like they do on the streets of New York. And you have to guess which one is the ace of spades. Any guesses? You over here, which one would you like to guess? This one? Oh no, that's not the ace. That's not the ace. Because I got nothing here. Look, these are all blank. Just like that. Now, nothing but a bunch of blanks. Blank, blank, blankety blank. Set these blanks down and see, that's just an illusion. Magic is about illusion and reality. There we have the four aces. So that's my little version of the Phantom Monte by Leech. So if you'd like to learn this magic, click on the link, join Master Magic University today. If you like it, smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And please subscribe to the Master Magic University newsletter where I'll send you free magic video tutorials right now. So we'll see you on the inside. Thank you very much.